Welcome to Space NK's YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking through the 12 days of fragrance calendar, and I'm Abbey. I am the brand manager on our own brand team, and I curate all of the assortment for this beautiful calendar. So I can't wait to talk you guys through it. So let's get into it. So this fragrance calendar is £160. It is worth over £550 and it has 14 beautiful fragrances, of which 3 are full size. So door one, let's try and find her. She's a biggie. Door one is actually one of our full-size fragrances. So this is the Malin & Getz Strawberry EDP. This is a beautiful scent. It's nice having a full size for day one because obviously it's a nice treat to start off your countdown. This scent is absolutely gorgeous. It's perfect fruity kind of scent, which is perfect for summer, but also to kind of give you that spritz of sweetness through the winter months as well. Stunning. So this one alone is worth £89. Such a great value and a great start to our Christmas countdown. Door two. Oh, one of my favourite scents. It's a Byredo Blanche in their cute travel format. So it's teeny, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's in their new packaging as well. This is one of their best sellers and one of my personal Byredo fragrances. This one is a dabber format, so obviously open it carefully and then gorgeous. This is very like fresh, I would say, for those who like a laundry, fresh laundry or like cotton scent. I think this would be perfect for them. And that's what I love about this calendar as well, is you get to try loads of different fragrance profiles. If you're a little bit scared of fragrance or you've not tried many fragrances, this really gives you the opportunity to try loads of different ones at a really affordable price. And then number 3. Ooh, Glossier. So obviously Glossier have their You fragrance, and for years obviously they just had the original, which everyone loves and cult classic, but recently they brought out their Glossier You Do, which is the cream packaging. This is absolutely stunning as well. Again, I think it's quite like a fresh scent, so for those who like that. This size is perfect for travel because you can take it anywhere with you, and I would say this scent is perfect for everyday use. It's very light, and the Glossier perfumes, they actually adapt once they're on the skin, so this is perfect for everyday use. I would be wearing this to the office, taking it in my handbag everywhere. And now door 4. Oh, another full size. This is Dead Cool. So this is Dead Cool in Taunt. This is absolutely gorgeous, and I think probably my favourite scent from Dead Cool. This full size is worth £71. The top notes are bergamot, vanilla and amber. It's absolutely gorgeous, and again, super wearable, super commercial. It's got that like gourmand but still like a bit of warmth to it, so it's absolutely stunning. Packaging is tailored to our younger customer with the bright colours, and it's also meant to be genderless and vegan as well, so really nice call out. Okay, door 5. Here she is. Oh, this is a goodie as well. So this is a new brand for us at Space NK this year, which is Frederic Malle, and this is their Acne Studio scent. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, I would say it's more like that fresh linen smell. This alone is around £70 worth. Considering the size of it, it's a really good way to trial one of these super expensive luxury brands without having to invest up front, as well as being able to try all of the other fragrances involved. So gorgeous. This fragrance I would also say is quite genderless, so I think this is perfect for my boyfriend. He loves this kind of scent, that kind of like fresh linen, but also like a little bit of like warmth to it as well. So I think this would be perfect for him. So I think I'm gonna get this for him for Christmas. This scent is super long lasting. It's got a really strong scent, so a little bit goes a long way. So this size format is perfect and will probably last you quite a while as well. So door 6. Inside door 6, oh, another good one. She's bougie, a Kilian perfume, which is Angel Share. This is one of their best sellers, and again, a super luxury brand. So this is a travel format, but I think it's perfect, similar to Frederic Malle, that it's got that long lasting scent. This one is kind of sweet. It's probably for that girls' night out, party ready. It's probably perfect for that occasion. This is also rumoured to be Rihanna's perfume. If it's good enough for Rihanna, it's good enough for you. And number 7, this one has 2 in it. So both by the same brand, Juliet Has a Gun, but 2 different scents. So you kind of, with Juliet Has a Gun, they're perfect for pairing as well. So Not a Perfume is their bestseller, and it's really great for like a base layer. This one would be perfect for anyone, to be honest. It's super kind of like a neutral fragrance, but just adds that little bit of scent for like your daily use. And then we have Miami Shake, which is new this year. A really great gourmand scent as well. Kind of takes you and transports you to Miami and has almost like the essence of like a milkshake, but in a sexy fragrance format. Inside every box is just such a little treat. So let's get into number 8. Ooh, she's a goodie as well. So in door 8, we have Byredo. And this is one of their new scents, Ledoux. This is an absolutely gorgeous scent. It comes in this beautiful peach packaging, and it has kind of a citrusy kind of top note, but then it kind of has that spicy, sexy kind of woody scent, which is absolutely gorgeous. Perfect for a night out, I would say. Perfect for summer, but also for winter, I think, because that spicy smell kind of comes through quite heavily as well. All of the Byredo perfumes, and what I really love about the brand, is that they're all mood inspired. So you're meant to wear them when you want to feel sexy. And this one specifically is made for flirtation and seduction. So yeah, as I said, perfect for a night out with the girls. The founder Yasmin came into our office once and gave the team a talk about her fragrances, and the brand is based on spirituality, and her other fragrances really lean into that, but this one is really made for everyone, so perfect for kind of exploration of the brand. Okay, so number 9, excited to see what's in this one. We've got 2 in here, Acqua di Parma and Mesa Margiela Lazy Sunday Morning. So these are both fantastic brands. So I'll talk to Acqua di Parma first. So this Acqua di Parma is from the Blue Mediterraneo collection, and it is Fico de Amalfi. So it's kind of inspired by the Amalfi Coast. It's absolutely gorgeous. I would say traditionally Acqua di Parma perfumes are more targeted to men's. So this is a little bit more of a men's scent, but also still super fresh and citrusy. And I think could be worn by anyone. This is a very summery scent. I think it's perfect for kind of taking you and transporting you to sunnier times in the depth of winter. It kind of transports you to that Italian coastline. And then we have the Mesa Margiela Lazy Sunday Morning, and as you can imagine, this kind of smells like fresh linen sheets, lounging around kind of in the morning. This is in the cutest little bottle, and again, similar to the Byredo, this is a dabber. So you just kind of pop the lid off and kind of dab onto your wrists. This is one of my favourite Mesa Margiela scents. It's very wearable every day, I would say. Perfect for the office. But yeah, she's super cute. Love a mini me. So let's see what's in door 10. Another goodie for gifting or for yourself. In here we have Sana Jardin. This is Sandalwood Temple. I know that I'm gonna love this because I love anything sandalwood. Sandalwood is just super genderless, perfect for anyone, and the scent itself, I would say, is perfect for kind of daytime, evening. It's not restricted to kind of a season, but it's perfect for kind of like that Christmas party, going to the pub with your friends, any occasion really. This advent calendar is such a good way to trial different products, and then you can go in and buy your favourite fragrance in full size. Door 11, so we're getting on the last 2 days now, so the next 2 are goodies. So in this drawer we have DS and Durga, and this is another one of our full size. So this is the Pistachio Rollable, which is actually a perfume oil. So this alone is worth £70. The scent is absolutely gorgeous. I think my favourite one from DS and Durga. So I love the kind of striped and the pops of green. I think it's really got that kind of appeal on your shelf. But also, again, it's perfect for kind of taking on the go, that rollable format as well. It's really easy to apply wherever you are without kind of spritzing it in everyone's face. It has a beautiful kind of fresh green scent to match the packaging. So definitely a goodie. And then on to door 12, our final door. And in here we have our Christmas iconic brand Diptyque. What better candle to have than a Diptyque candle for Christmas? So this is their mimosa scent in the 70 gram. This fragrance is so clean and fresh. It's perfect kind of for the household, and Diptyque are known kind of for their amazing scent throws. So this will leave your house smelling of it for days after you light it. And that's the last one. I'm so sad it's over. Each day was like opening a little present. This would be perfect for a little treat to yourself or any fragrance lovers that you know, or just a perfect gift to kind of break down and gift to others as well. Thank you so much for joining me to kind of talk through these products and share with you the product curation that we've been working on, and hopefully you guys love it. If you've enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe, and we can't wait to see you on the next video.